Hi, welcome to the Average Guy channel. I made some videos a while back. I'm just now getting around to putting them online. This is a home movie when my daughter went to see airplanes. So, hope you like it. Hey Leona, do you want to go watch planes today?
Yeah.
You want to watch planes take off?
Yeah.
Do you know what a plane is?
Yeah.
What's a plane?
Plane.
That's right.
You're calling me right now.
I sure am.
And I love it when they go like that. And I pump some air out of this. And you do too. When I pump, really fast.
Well, what is that thing?
A reflection.
Show me what Daddy does with the camera. That's right. What does Daddy say about the camera's battery?
It needs to be charged so you can order me and place my name in my Thomas ring.
I don't know what you just said.
I was talking about the battery.
Oh, the battery. And the camera, right?
Yeah, and it so you can do it. I can see.
Oh, you want to see?
Yeah. They're you. Or they're me. I love you.
I love you too.
And I just want to go watch planes.
Planes?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll try.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Brushing my hair.
I know, but what kind of faces were you making?
I'm making face.
Make some more hot faces. Huh. Oh.
What do you see on TV?
Me.
Come over here for a minute. Go look at the TV. Go, keep looking at the TV. Keep looking.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Look. How's it doing that? It's a ghost.
Go, darn the ghost.
She's a ghost.
Oh.
Kind of trippy.
Trippy.
Look at Daddy and say, that's trippy.
That's trippy.
Say it again.
That's trippy.
Ooh.
Okay. Say goodbye.
No.
She found a friend.
Who's your friend?
I know.
Who's your friend on TV?
Me.
I'm sorry, I still don't understand how it works. I don't care if I'm known as a stupid person. I don't know how it works.
Leona, come here for a minute. Are you ready to go see airplanes?
Yeah.
You don't sound so sure.
Yeah.
Alright. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get your jacket and let's go.
I'm gonna go see planes.
Do you know how loud the planes are?
Yeah.
How loud are they?
Loud, loud, loud. And I would have it from my fingers in my ears.
Well, you can if you want to. Are you going to be afraid?
No.
No, you're not going to be afraid. You're going to like watching the planes, aren't you?
Yeah. But I'm going to be scared a little.
Oh, well, that's okay to be afraid a little bit. But you're going to watch the planes take off and go into the air, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go.
Okay.
Alright, where are we going today, Liana?
The airplane.
Then where?
Then McDonald's.
And then where?
Then the airport.
And then where?
I don't know.
Me either.
And then home.
And then home? Okay. We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Yep, I think that's it. I think that's what's in front of us.
I found the airport. Look, right there. I found the airport.
Oh, we've seen one airplane, but we can't find it anymore. It was up in the air.
Yeah.
It's up there in the air somewhere. I hear it still. I just don't see it. Where's it at? Where's it at?
Daddy,
What?
I want you.
Okay.
Papa. I didn't found one yet.
Do you see the airplanes over there? Look,
I see one.
there's all kinds of airplanes over there.
There comes
See?
one car.
Yeah, there's all kinds of airplanes over there. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go see them.
I'm on top.
Let's go see what's going on over here.
But the airplane's over there.
Yeah, I see even more. See airplanes there.
And there, I found one. There's them, and there's
Yeah.
another one.
Yep. All kinds of airplanes over there.
Yeah, there's all kinds. Let's go see them. Let's go.
Let's go see them.
Up in the air.
All right, we just now see an airplane. What do you think of it, Liana?
Yeah.
You see it?
It is like
Here it comes.
hard.
Here it comes.
It's coming to land.
Here comes the airplane.
It's coming.
Wow.
It's coming.
Wow, look at that. There it goes.
And put my fingers in my ears so it won't be loud.
Was it that loud? Daddy didn't think it was that loud.
But it was.
Oh, it was? Did you like it?
Yeah.
You want to see another one?
Yeah. And put my fingers in my ears.
Oh, okay. You can put your fingers in your ear if we see another one. Do you see one?
No.
Me either.
Oh, over there.
It's gonna park. You wanna watch it park? Okay, well get off my knee. Look. Look, there it comes. Come here. Come here, look.
See, that's when the airplane doesn't
See?
scare me.
See, there it is. Did that plane scare you? Did it scare you?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, right. You were scared. What? You were scared, huh? All right. Well, let's... Okay, let me shut this thing.
Okay.
I seen a little airplane that was rolling down the runway. Let's see where it's at. There it is. See?
I found one.
You see it? Yeah. It's a little airplane.
It's going to take off.
I don't know. It might. I thought you said you wanted to see it take off. Don't you want to see it take off?
No, I want to go at McDonald's, though. They won't scare me.
Oh, okay, let's go. We'll get out of here then. Let's go to McDonald's, okay?
Okay, and give me a Happy Meal.
A Happy Meal too?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Where the plane won't scare me.
Where the planes won't scare you? Okay, we'll get out of here. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
So we're going at McDonald's so the plane won't scare me. Go! Come on! Let's go! We will get out of the airport.
Okay, let me put the camera in my pocket.
I'm...
Well, did you like the planes?
Yeah,
You really like the airplanes?
yeah.
What did they do?
Why?
Did they scare you?
Yeah.
Oh, they scared you so much. Did you like them?
No, they scared me.
They scared you. You didn't like them at all, did you?
No, they scared me.
Where are we going now?
I'm McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah, you may give me a Happy Meal.
A Happy Meal? What are you going to get in your Happy Meal?
I know, apple juice and my gonna get a hamburger and a tea.
Okay, Mommy's not even here.
What?
All right, say bye to the airport.